If you're in the travel sector, or if you are working or have a business in the travel industry, you should consider starting a travel blog and turning it or building it into an income generating online business. Blogging is a very powerful tool when it comes to building a content based online business in Kenya. And you can use it to actually either increase your brand visibility, attract new customers, and more importantly, you can actually use your travel blog in Kenya to make extra money. This can be either making personal money, or that is as an individual, or you can use it actually to increase your business revenue, so it can be a segment of your business income. So blogging is not something that probably you should take lightly. It's something that you should consider as a business strategy. And while it is not a get rich quick scheme, you probably are already creating content in one way or another. You are creating written content. And if you are to consider starting a travel blog, you would still continue creating content, but this time you would be strategic about it. You would be posting it on your own travel blog with a view that you are not only building it to attract current customers, you are also building an inventory of articles, and over time you can turn that blog into an income generating asset. There are quite a number of people who have built travel blogs across the world. Some of them are just individuals like you who want to generate an extra income every month, sharing their travel experiences or actually talking about the travel that they are doing. Others are people who have built huge businesses, specifically online businesses, based on their travel knowledge, skills, expertise, and experiences. And also at the same time, you have companies that definitely have travel blogs that are doing quite a bit in that particular sector. So you can be able to pick what it is that you would want to do. But if you ask me, I would think that you should consider monetizing your travel knowledge, travel skills, experiences by starting a travel blog in Kenya. And there's something that you can be able to do from the comfort of your home. All you need is your laptop, access to the internet, and you can be creating content every time you travel somewhere or based on where you have traveled in the past. Starting a travel blog in Kenya can be a great source of income for you, and you can be able to earn money every month, especially once you figure out what monetization strategy you are going to use on your blog. And in turn, this income is going to help you improve your personal finances when it comes to your money in Kenya. So take 1 or 2 hours today to learn how blogging works in Kenya, how you can be able to start a travel blog in Kenya, and more importantly, how you can be able to make money with your travel blog in Kenya. When starting your blog in Kenya with an objective of turning it into an income generating online business in Kenya, there are 3 important steps, concepts, and ideas that you should consider. These 3 are very critical to the success of your blog in Kenya and your ability to generate an income or to generate money with your blogging activities. And the 3 include the fact that you need to build an audience, you need to build trust with that audience, and then you need to have a monetization strategy to be able to make money with your blog in Kenya. The first step relates to building an audience, and this is where content marketing comes in. What you're going to be doing when it comes to this step, or when it comes to building an audience with your blog, is creating blog articles or blog posts aimed at reaching your target audience. And it is critical that you be very clear on who exactly you want to serve or who you want to reach with your blog. And what you are going to be doing is creating article or content that can educate, entertain, and inform your target audience. And it is important that you mix your content in a way that it provides value to the audience that you are building. The reason why you need to be thinking of value is because you need to be solving problems of the target audience that you are reaching, or the target audience that you want to serve. Because you need to be a person where they come to get a solution to the issues that they are facing in whatever niche that you are blogging about. And this is a very important step. It's critical as it is the foundation of your blog. It will form the foundation of the success of the blog that you are starting and building. Because you cannot really have an online business in Kenya if you do not build an audience. And the idea here is that the audience you are building is not limited to Kenya. You can build an audience of people who are interested in the topic or the niche that you are blogging about, people who are drawn from across the globe, meaning people who are anywhere and in every country in the world. The second step is the one that relates to building trust with the audience that you are building. And this is based on a very simple principle that we buy from people that we trust. We buy from businesses that we trust. And one of the ways on how you can be able to build trust when it comes to your blog and your online business in Kenya is through email marketing. And that's why you'll need to learn how email marketing works in Kenya, and also find the best email marketing platform that you can use in your blog and as you build your online business in Kenya. The third step might be the most important and probably the one that you might enjoy the most. This is because it is a step that will involve making money with your blog. It is about blog monetization in Kenya. And what this means is that you still need to have a very clear plan on how you are going to make money with your blog in Kenya. That means having a clear business model, which is a fancy way of saying you need to know what you are going to do or what you are going to sell, whether a product or a service, or whatever monetization idea you might have to be able to generate an income or money from your blog. And the good news are that there are many ways on how you can be able to make money with your blog in Kenya. You can choose to do display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorship and merchandising, or you can even create your own digital products, among very many other ideas. So you need to have an idea of the strategy that you are going to use to make money with your blog in Kenya. And once you have that, and in fact it might be advisable to have that even before you have started your blog in Kenya, you need to have the end in mind. Because once you know your monetization strategy, then that is also going to inform your content marketing strategy. When you implement these three ideas, these three steps, you have a very high chance of succeeding in turning your blog in Kenya into an income generating online business. And if you want to learn more about this, watch the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.